So guys, today we're gonna read a story about different holidays. And look, we got the Sesame Street characters. We got Elmo, we got the Cookie Monster, we got Big Bird and the blue guy. And this blue guy and this little cute fairy doll. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Home for the Holidays. A little book about the different holidays that bring us together. We all have traditions we celebrate each year with family and friends that fill you with cheer. With such joy in your home, your heart starts to soar. There are so many things to be grateful for. Oh, what does gratefulness remind you of? Thanksgiving. We have Cookie Monster over here with lots of cookies. And we have these two. I think we have a mom and a daughter here. And we have Elmo with Big Bird in the Sesame Street. What are the things you are thankful of? I am thankful for my family. What are you thankful of? Please tell me in the comments. It's about time with family and those you love most, in a place you belong where you're always held close. It's the things that you do and the laughter you share when being together with people who care. Oh wow, look, they're celebrating this festival. Do you guys know what these are? This food? Well, I know. These look like Indian food. Who agrees? I think they're celebrating Eid. Who knows Eid? We have Cookie Monster, Elmo, and these people who are celebrating with them. There are balloons that have the moon. And we have lots of yummy food. Please tell me what's your favorite food in the comments. It's a feeling of lightness and brightness and good that shines through your heart and your whole neighborhood. It's knowing that kindness and hope are the spark to bring joy to the world and light up the dark. This is an Indian festival called Diwali. Diwali shows good over evil. Look, Elmo is celebrating it with his friends and family. And you see this pattern over here on the ground? This is called Rangoli. It's really cool. And they have so many lights. And on Diwali, you usually burst fireworks. They're fun. Look, you could see one in the background. And they have these lanterns. And there are a few houses in the distance that have lights too. Elmo's having lots of fun with his friends and family. It's about being grateful for all that we share, for all our family and friends, no matter where. This time of the year, we know that it's true. We're thankful for all of the love that shines through. This is Thanksgiving! Yay, I love Thanksgiving. Who loves Thanksgiving? Elmo is celebrating it with Big Bird and Cookie Monster, and is that Big Bird's mom? They have salad, they have squash, pumpkin, bread, they have mac and cheese, yum. Ooh, they have a pumpkin pie, cranberries, more salad, and cookies. I think Cookie Monster would love that. Someone get the cookies to Cookie Monster. He would love some. And they have baskets of bread. And look, Mama Big Bird is having some salad in her hand. And look, they have pictures. Look, there's a picture of an egg and a picture of a fall tree, like an orange tree. They're having so much fun. They're celebrating a lot of festivals. And what about gifts? They're part of it too. But not just the presents given to you, it's giving to others or doing nice things and the smiles that your love and company brings. This is Hanukkah. Look, they have this top. It's really fun to play with. It's like where you spin it and then they play. It's like really fun. And these candles, they have 9 of these candles. And look, this is Hanukkah, sorta, you can say like Christmas, but I'm not sure if it's like Christmas, but it's sort of like Christmas. Look, the blue guy is giving his mom a gift. Oh, that's so sweet. And look, they have jam buns. Yum. Who loves jam buns? They're so good. The holiday season's about playing together and having good fun no matter the weather. It's taking the time to make memories that last through though the days spent with friends may go by too fast. Yay, it's winter, it's Christmas. I love winter, especially the snow. You can see these two guys doing they're like ice skating on this rink on the lake. And we see Cookie Monster with the blue guy on a sleigh. On the sleigh going down, it's fun. And we see some kids in the background rolling up snowballs. They're huge. I think they're building something. And look, we see Big Bird with her friends building the snowman. Oh, look, they have a face, a scarf, and a hat. All of them are wearing scarves and hats. And we see Elmo doing a snow angel. And look, there's even a little cardinal. It's being with loved ones from near and from far who send their best wishes wherever they are. You can still keep in touch with those far away and remember the people who aren't here today. With those far away, you can do that with an online call. They're baking together. Look, you can see they have a laptop with their family, and you can see they have their relative who might be really far away. They're baking cookies together and having fun. They have chocolate chip cookies. You can see the Mama Big Bird rolling out this dough and Big Bird piping some icing onto the cookies. And you can see their relative is Blue eating some made cookies. I think they're making cookies together. It's what's in your heart, being merry and bright in the way that you share it each day and each night. It's the spirit of joy and knowing it's real just from the way all the holidays feel. Oh, it's Christmas! Yay! Look, Elmo's wrapping presents. There's a cookie for Santa. There are cookies for Santa. There's a snowman one, a Christmas tree one, and a cookie one. And we see Elmo has his friends or relatives decorating the tree, putting the presents under the tree, and putting a star on the tree, on top of the tree, and putting ornaments on the tree. They're having so much fun. Look, there are stockings. I love hanging up stockings. Every day when I hang it, I get a present in the stocking. It's usually gonna be candy. Last time it was a candy cane. Who loves candy canes? And the year before that, I got a lot of candy. And look, they have lots of presents and they're having fun. Ooh, look at the wreath. It's so pretty. It has a bell. It's music and sound played quiet or loud on drums or guitars or sung with a crowd. The traditions bring us together. We know and will only find new ones to add as we grow. Hooray, they're having fun. Elmo has a tambourine. These two guys have drums. And he has this sort of trumpet. And look, is that Thanksgiving or Hanukkah? Well, Thanksgiving, this is what all the food we eat in Thanksgiving, like pumpkin, squash, corn, and bananas, and apples, and all fruits and veggies. But Hanukkah is the one that has these candles. Tell me in the comments if this is Thanksgiving or Hanukkah. I think it's Hanukkah. They're having so much fun. As the year ends, celebrate all that we've done. But when a new one begins, will there'll be even more fun. So many tomorrows and new things to do. Where will you go? You know it's all up to you. New Year! Oh wait, we have this vampire looking guy. I think he still wants Halloween. Who loves Halloween? Halloween is coming up. Did you get your costume? Did you get your candy? Did you get all the things you need? I got ready, and look, they have fireworks, and look at this pigeon. It's celebrating the new year too, wearing a little cute hat. And look, there's these two guys who are blowing these little kind of things. They're having fun. It's a time to be kind to whoever you meet, to those in your town or those down the street, to family and neighbors and friends you have found. Spread your good wishes to those all around. Look, it's Chinese New Year. They hold this little dragon. And look, we see Big Bird, we see this tiger, and you can see it's Cookie Monster and Elmo and this fairy kid holding the dragon and taking it along. You can also see there are so many lanterns. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And look, one in the background, so 6. And you can also see they have I think, and they also have lots of confetti everywhere. And if there's one big thing the holidays teach, if there's one single lesson we want you to reach, it's letting love guide you wherever you go, and the peace you can find from letting it show. You can feel from letting it show. Look, Elmo's with, I think these are his grandparents. They're having coffee. The grandpa's having coffee. The grandma's reading a book. And they have cookies, a cup of tea, and milk. And you can see they have a really big, cool bookshelf. Look at all the books. And they have plants. And they have this really cute rug. I like the rug. Who loves the rug? And you can see some photos of Elmo. There's this flower photo and this one that also has Elmo. Is that Elmo? I think it's the grandpa. And look at Elmo in the background. That's so cool. Our holidays may differ in meaning and name, but the things that we cherish are often the same. There's a truth we all know wherever we roam. At this time of the year, there's no place like home. During the holidays, would you like to be home? Yes, everyone likes to be home during the holidays. Like whether if you're in school, you still want to be home. They give you holidays, and this is really fun to be home with your family, to have fun. All the Everyone is with their family. Look, you see Big Bird, and look, this is the distant relative from the laptop. Who remembers this guy? And we see Elmo with his grandma, and we see everyone with their family, and we see Cookie Monster with the fairy girl, and we see them making a snowman in the snow. Oh no, why is this guy in the trash? Oh no, what happened? Okay, you can also see they're all having so much fun. Wishing you all joy, peace, and love. Bye, Elmo. Thank you guys for reading this book with me. Thank you guys for reading this book with me. It's been so